Kanang bat keburam kabau samlakit kupar nosit ura naga lempung Yakob kabahe tam naga perthei kabalatip kum ka World Championships of Performing Arts kabala long ha Las Vegas USA kala penlong yu Myntri Rangbah Khubor kondat ke sangma ban sngo Kmen lang banyu I ba Samla na Khubor unpoi hadu kate kerdan ha ka kerwo kitbok ya uni Samla nong ruai badang ki na Khubor Myntri Rangbah ula ong ba kade ka buram ka bakraw bah banyu I ba Samla kit kupar undan ha ka thup jeng kisangut kinang shimbanta bah kli edu ha ka W kopa Ulapan paru ya kajing Kmen ba ula yo bandan bentalang bat ha ka ne kajing let ya khun saka te ka lumpung shu upan pau ya kajing Kmen ba ka surbas yang jong kan kringi gipat ba bat kentiu ya ka nam jong ka Meghalaya ha ki kerdan ba hajrong jong ka perthei Laban kedau hang ni wa Samla kit kupar ula khurlai teli kitak kemaksiar ar teli kitak marnong ba de ka first place scholarship award ha ka World Championships of Performing Arts ar hajar arpun riu ka badang Shukut Shen ha Las Vegas.
Our solo gold medalist goes to Khubor of India. Our silver medal for the vocal original works goes to Elrie Bosman of New Zealand. And everyone, we have a tie for silver. My apologies. We have a tie for silver. Our other silver medalist down to the 100th of a point for vocal original works is Francis Marie from Philippines. And our bronze medal for vocal original works goes to Theos of Norway. For our vocal pop category, the gold medal for our soloist goes to Zinzinwi of South Africa. The silver medal for vocal pop goes to Jenny of the Philippines. If we can please go ahead and clear the aisle, please. Clear the aisle, please. We have contestants who are trying to get their medals. And the bronze medal for vocal pop, senior 18 to 24, goes to Khubor of India. Bronze. Moving on to our vocal rap, the gold medal for the vocal rap category, senior 18-24, goes to Cassandra Condi of the United States. And the silver medal for vocal rap goes to Amadine of France. Amadine.
Let's go, India!
Please clear the aisles. Please clear the aisles. We have contestants trying to come down, everybody. Please clear the aisles. And the gold medal for vocal R&B soul jazz, senior 18-24, goes to Khubor of India. The silver medal for vocal R&B soul jazz goes to Cassandra Condi of the United States. And that was a tie, ladies and gentlemen, a tie for silver for vocal R&B soul jazz, going to John Clyde of the Philippines. We also have a tie. Whoa. We actually have a triple tie for the bronze medal to the 100th, 2 decimal places. Here we go. Our bronze medalists for the vocal R&B soul jazz category, senior 18-24, goes to Alyssa of the United Arab Emirates, Zinzinwi of South Africa, and Joyce from Malaysia.
Let's go!
Moving on to our vocal rock senior 1824, the gold medal goes to Ellery of New Zealand. Our silver medal for vocal rock goes to Jenny of the Philippines. And our bronze medal for our vocal rock category goes to Alyssa of Puerto Rico. All right, everybody, come on up. If we can scoot a little to the right, everybody on stage a little to the right. We have some contestants trying to come up. Awesome. Big smiles, everybody, big smiles. And everyone give them a round of applause to our World Star medalists for the vocal categories. And we're all gonna go ahead and bow in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. Go ahead and head off stage right. Thank you so much.